Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help Australians just like you start their own profitable businesses on Amazon right here in Australia. We've helped over 2,000 folks around Australia get their businesses up and running, and we're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs anywhere in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you want to find out more, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. On Amazon, every product needs its own UPC, Universal Product Code, to make sales on the Amazon store. You can get those UPC codes from a website called GS1, which Amazon's an investor in. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can use GS1 to run multiple brands for your Amazon business. All right, next. Ooh, GS1. So, question. I have created an account with GS1 UK, thumbs up, and created two barcodes for two products under the same brand. Okay. Now I need to create a new barcode for my third product that is going to be under a new brand. Well done, two brands, very smart. How do I do that? Okay, so, so GS1, if you're buying barcodes, GS1, absolutely, that's where you should definitely be buying your barcodes from. Okay, we, the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, have discovered, I can't remember who discovered it first of all, that you can buy them the cheapest in the UK. And the UK barcodes, GS1 barcodes, are global, so it doesn't matter where you buy them from, it's okay. You can use them anywhere, including Australia, because that's somewhere. So look, you can get 100 barcodes here for 100 quid annually, which is pretty cheap, or you can get up to 1,000 for 119 quid. All right, so if you're gonna get some, get 1,000, 119 quid. That's pretty cheap, yeah. So that's what you do. That's where you get them from. And then as far as actually how you use them, so what I do. Well, first of all, it's important to say, a little bit of backtrack here, is that I have my company, so my company, PTY Ltd company, for instance, that I'm buying my, that I'm doing my business through, okay? And that company would also therefore own the trademarks for my brands. And I also use that same company to buy my GS1 barcodes, okay? So all in the same area. So if you are a sole trader, then everything's just the same. It all goes into the same company. If you've got an LLC, everything's the same. It goes. If you've got a limited company in the UK, everything goes into the same place, okay? Same. And that way it's much, much easier for Amazon, okay? So what I do with my barcodes, so I've got 1,000, and what I do is I have, for instance, from barcode number 1 through to barcode number 49, I allocate all of those UPC barcodes to brand number 1. And then barcode number 50 through to barcode number 99, so that gives me 49, 50, whatever that is, barcodes, I allocate to brand number 2, and on and on and on. So that's how I kind of split them up, so that I can sell up to 1,000 SKUs on Amazon, and I don't sell anywhere near that. And I've got it all kind of laid out, and that's really just for my benefit more than for Amazon's benefit, okay? As far as Amazon's concerned, they don't give a rat's ass how you structure it. You could have your first barcode for brand number 1, your second for brand number 2, your third for brand number 3, your fourth for brand number 1 again. Like, you could have it all over the shop, and it wouldn't matter to Amazon. They don't give a rat's ass. That protocol is for you to manage things, not for Amazon. Amazon doesn't care how you manage things for the most part. That's just for you, okay? You can have as many brands as you want within your GS1 barcode thing, as many as you want. And because I know I'll get questions about brand and trademark, so just to be clear, on Amazon, the only time you own a brand on Amazon is when you have a trademark and brand registry. So in your mind, you may have created a logo and a business name and called your product something cool and got your packaging put together, all that cool shit that you've got to do. So in your mind, you own a brand, but strictly speaking, for Amazon, you don't. Okay, what you own is a product, not a brand, because for Amazon, a brand is a brand registered product with a trademark. That's how it's differentiated. Okay, much different. But that doesn't mean you still can't do that. It doesn't mean you can't get barcodes. Doesn't mean any of that. It just means that Amazon treats them differently to what you do, but it doesn't make any difference at all. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. That was a video of a Monday night Q&A session I do every single week with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Our members have got sales of over $50 million and growing, and there's over 2,000 larrikins and layabouts from right across Australia in our community. You can find out more about what we do by clicking on the link below or going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you then. Bye.